We'll guide you through how to connect and use a USB drive on a Chromebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and look at your USB drive and go and see what connector it's got. As you can see, this has just got a standard USB end. Then you want to go and look at your Chromebook's inputs, because on some, they may not go and have a USB input. They may have a USB-C, for example, so therefore you'd need an adapter, but it will go and depend upon what USB drive you've got. Essentially, just make sure you can go and plug it in. Otherwise, you may go and need an adapter. I'll go and link some down below. Then what we can do is go and plug it in. As you can see, I now have, and you'll then go and get a pop-up on your Chromebook saying removable device detected. So what you can do is go and click on open files there, or alternatively just go and click on it at the bottom. And then what you need to do is come over to the left here. I'll just go and drag it over and you should go and see your USB. You can then go and click on it and you can go and see the files on it. So I can go and look at them, for example. I'll go into here. I can see these images. What I'm going to do is click and drag over these to select them. I'll click on the three dots in the top right and go and copy them. And then we can go into my files on the computer and I'll click on the three dots in the top right and we can go and paste them just like so. We've now transferred them. When you're finished, go and hover over the USB and you can go and eject it like so and safely remove it.